Have you ever wondered how this text masking effect was made? Here is a quick guide on how to create a text masking effect in Photoshop. Without further ado, let's dive into it. To create text masking, we need to remove the background of the image. Select the image, drag it down to this Create New Layer icon to make a duplicate of it, then click on Remove Background. Select the text tool to add a text. Change the font and also adjust the text spacing. Increase the size of the text. Click on this color box to change the text color. Scale the text to fit the image. Click the text layer and duplicate it. With the text layer selected, adjust the fill option to 0%. Down below, click on the Effect tool, then select Stroke. Change the stroke color and adjust the stroke thickness. Select the second text layer and drag it down below the image. To select the two text layer, click on the first text layer and hold Control on your keyboard and click on the second text layer. Then right-click on the selected layer and choose the option Link Layer. You can now select the text and drag it to your desired position. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or feedback, please leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification icon for more tutorials.